The Elephant and His Friends. Dembo the elephant woke up one morning and took a tour in the forest looking for friends. He ran into a monkey and asked him,
"Can we be friends, monkey?"
"You're too big, and you can't swing on trees like me, so I can't be your friend,"
said the monkey. Then he left. Dembo carried on until he came upon a rabbit and asked him if he could be his friend.
"You're too big to enter my burrow. You can't be my friend,"
said the rabbit. So Dembo carried on looking for a friend. Then he met a frog and asked him if he could be his friend.
"You're too big and heavy, and you can't jump like me. I'm sorry, you can't be my friend," said the frog.
Then Dembo met a snake and asked him to be his friend, and he received the same answer, that he's too big and cannot be a snake's friend. The next day, all the animals in the forest were running in fear. Dembo stopped a bear and asked him what was happening. The bear said that a tiger was attacking every animal in sight. Dembo wanted to save the weak animals, so he went to the tiger and said,
"Please, sir, leave my friends alone. Don't eat them."
The tiger didn't listen to Dembo and told him to mind his own business. So the elephant kicked the tiger and frightened him. The tiger ran away. Dembo then returned to the other animals and told them what had happened. When they heard how the elephant had saved their lives, they all said in harmony,
"Your size is just right to become our friend."
The animals realized that a friend is not measured by his shape, size, or color, but by loyalty and love.